Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing on what we have here, a Logitech G913 wireless full-size keyboard. Okay, in my previous video I had the opportunity to review the 512 carbon, which is pretty much similar to this keyboard, but that one is wired. This is wireless. Okay, it comes with the GL clicky switch right here. Yep, you can see right here, GL clicky switch. It is a little bit different from the G512 carbon, which has what you call this GL switch, a slightly higher profile. This one has got a lower profile switch. They have in the market tactile, I think linear, and this is clicky. This is a light speed keyboard for gamers. So again, this is a very nice box by Logitech. We're just gonna look at what's around the box. Not much features described around the box, however, perhaps at the bottom. Okay, so Logitech and their Lightspeed wireless, super fast, reliable wireless connectivity, 1 millisecond, report rate. Okay, so this is a wireless keyboard. Again, it's got a dedicated media volume buttons, and there are various profiles as well at the side here, which can be adjusted via the Logitech software, if I'm not mistaken. So the GL clicky is one of Logitech's own switches, and of course aluminium magnesium chassis, or what you call a casing, which again is my favorite, a brushed aluminium finishing. So let's open and see what this keyboard is all about. So box quality is nice, much nicer compared to the G512. So this keyboard has been opened before for testing purposes before it was purchased, and again, it's a very nice presentation overall, as this is one of Logitech's most expensive keyboards in the market. Let's pick this up. It's nice and heavy. There's a plastic backing here, a plastic packaging, which I will not be opening as this is a demo keyboard. Okay, you have a USB-C charging cable, and of course there is a USB dongle with an extension. Let me just pull this apart. There you go. So it's for easy handling. If you want to pull it off your CPU or your laptop, best to have a good grip on this. And what do we have here? Stickers, makes your PC run faster. Quick start guide, battery, more marketing materials right here. So let's just have a look at, see, there's nothing at the bottom of this box, so I'm just gonna put this aside. Okay, so looking at the actual keyboard itself, let me just put it in the center right here. You can actually give it an offset, and again, look at this nice shiny finishing. They might or might not be prone to scratches, just handle with care. As I mentioned, there are 5 profile buttons here. I believe this is a lighting, Bluetooth, dedicated volume button, and again, this is a very low profile keyboard, and it's also got low profile keys, very low profile actuation. It has a very nice click towards it. Let me just put it near my microphone. See, it feels like you're typing on a laptop, but with a clicky noise. So it's gonna be like, you know, you don't have to raise your palm so high up, and it types much better. Okay, I still have the G512 keyboard with me, and I'm gonna put it side by side just for you guys to actually compare. If you're wondering, the G512 is priced at roughly $100 US, whereas the 913 is a little bit more expensive. Let me just look at the pricing again. The G913 is about 900 ringgit, which translates to about 225 US. So we put this side by side. Okay, you can see the difference in the height of the keyboard. This one is way lower, this one is higher. This is a blue switch as well, which is also clicky, but it's got a higher profile, so some people might or might not like it. But if given a choice, if given a budget to buy a keyboard, this might be even better. This is one of the keyboards, the best keyboards I've ever tested, compared to the Corsair K series, the cheaper Cooler Master keyboards, tecwares, and not to mention a few others. So I'm gonna keep quiet and start typing a little bit. It's way noisier on this compared to this one. It's fine, it's so refined, it's quiet. The edges are sharp, the edges are round at the side here. So it's equally as sharp here, and you can actually pair up a nice Logitech palm rest on top of this. Apart from that, there isn't much other differences, and I'm gonna be hooking up the USB just to fire up the keyboard, so you can have a look at how it actually lights up. Just give me a minute. Battery life should be stated on the website of Logitech. Oh no, I just had a good look at this USB. There's actually a micro USB here, and this is a USB port, so I have to figure this out later. But yeah, I'm so sorry, this is not an extension. Is there a charging port on this? Yep, there's a micro USB here. Unfortunately, it isn't a USB-C. So connecting the USB to my tablet. Let's try to power this on. Yep. So typical Logitech startup, it's got a similar startup color to the 512 Carbon. Okay, change of lights, dimming, lighting profile, and that's pretty much about it. I believe I should try this keyboard out with a proper CPU. I should download its software and see if you can actually customize its profile and coloring or not. But once again, side by side layout here. Okay, height of the chassis is the same as a 512 Carbon, and of course this has a much higher profile compared to this. So once again, this concludes what I have to say for this video. This is a wireless keyboard. If you would like something without wires, if you have the budget, if you have $200-300 to spend on a keyboard, this might just be the right keyboard for you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do hit the subscribe button.